In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This feature is extremely useful if you don't want other players or friends to see when you're online, but essentially begin by opening up the Clash Royale app on your device, and it's going to work the exact same whether you're playing on an iPhone, Android, or Samsung. But once the game does load, look up in the top right corner and tap the three-line little menu just like so to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and tap on Supercell ID, and when the Supercell ID menu does open up, look down in the bottom left corner or up in the top left corner and you're going to see a settings gear. Select that and find this show online status option and simply just turn this option off. Once you disable show online status, other players will not be able to see when you're online or offline here in Clash Royale. You can also disable receive new friend requests if you want even more privacy, but it really is as simple as that. Just take this off and you're good to go. But that is it. You'll now appear offline while playing Clash Royale. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.